guys, I'm Casey and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday was Black Friday and last night as I was on my computer I found myself entranced by the YouTube Black Friday haul videos. These are videos where YouTubers essentially just sit in front of a camera and go through all the stuff that they bought on Black Friday from essentially a small list of the same stores. I was captivated by the amount of stuff Americans consume. You could just watch a video where people are telling you exactly what they bought so you can copy that. Rather than spending my day after Black Friday buying things, I decided to clean out my closet and donate. And I'm going to take you through a haul of what I ended up giving away. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first category of things in my haul is statement t-shirts. These are the ones that we get ads for on Instagram a lot that say like protect the planet or hail. The next category of items I have is things that you buy on super sale. So even though you might never wear it, it was really fun to purchase for $7.48. The next item I have is souvenir sweatshirts. That includes things like this Dallas sweatshirt that I bought because I didn't have a jacket for the airplane, or this Pac-12 championship game that you haven't worn in over 3 months, including things that are just, The last category is trendy items that have fallen out of style. So this is a lovely Rails plaid shirt. Because it was so in style, I have like 8 plaid shirts. And then finally, things that don't belong to me. This is actually someone else's hoodie. I ended up just packaging all this up and then driving it over to Goodwill. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. I encourage you to clean out your closet, clean out your apartment or living space, and give some things away for this holiday season. Subscribe to my channel so that you can catch every video, and be sure to like this one if you enjoyed it. Have a happy holiday season. Bye.